Hey everyone, I'll create a detailed implementation guide covering everything about Einstein recipe in marketing cloud personalization structure for practical use. This will include concepts and component, step-by-step setup, real-world example, best practices and optimization. So I'll format this and as a document so you can easily reference and use it in your project. So stay tuned. So in the intro section of the introduction section of the Einstein recipe, first we thought what is the Einstein recipe, right? So Einstein recipe in a Salesforce Marketing Cloud personalization, formerly Interaction Studio, allow business to create AI powered recommendations. So these customizable machine learning models analyze user behavior, preferences, and engagement patterns to deliver relevant content, products, or services in real time. So there is some key components of Einstein recipe. So first one is like a data input. So there is some data inputs like behavioral data, catalog data, contextual data. So in the behavioral data, track user actions, view clicks, purchase, and extra. And catalog data is include metadata about product, content, or services. So contextual data consider user attribute like a device, location, and decision history. So and the second component is like a algorithm. In the algorithm section, we are collaborative filters like recommend items based on similar user behaviors, content based filtering like suggest items similar to those previously engaged with, and the popularity based highlights trending or best performance content. And the last one, and last and not the least, is a recency based, prioritizes newly added products or content, something like that. So, on the third component is like a filtering and boosting. Inclusion rules like specific categories of items we recommended. Exclusion rules like prevent irrelevant or already consumed content for appearing. Excludes that product, and boosting is like prioritize high value trending or new items. So this is all about the key components and Einstein recipe. So next we are discussing about the step-by-step guide on creating an Einstein recipe. In the step-by-step guide to creating an Einstein recipe section, first we are access Einstein recipe. In the first step, this is like a login details. First we have to log in Marketing Cloud and then go to the personalization sections, navigate the Einstein like in the machine learning section, in the Einstein recipe. Click after that, click create a new recipe. And then we have to go to the next step to choose an algorithm, select the appropriate machine learning models based on business needs. So for example, product recommendations, content personalization, trending items. So here Einstein says four ingredients, like a four recipe. So in the first one is ingredients. There is we are add some ingredients related data what is the co-browser bought by users who bought current products. Second is co-browse viewed by users who also viewed current product. Smart bundle return products most purchased or together in smart bundle linked. So there is four just like that there is four recipes in Einstein. So first one is ingredients, second exclusion, booster, and variations. Here we are select our set our all the criteria according to appropriate recipes. So what we want to set in our recipes. So here is product recommendations, which is use collaborative filters, content personalization, use content based on filtering, and trending items use popularity based filters. So and the third is to define data inputs, specify data sources that influence the recommendations. Users engagement data browsing, like clicking, cart addition, purchasing, product attributes like category, price, availability, session contacts like time of day, location, devices, etc. So apply filtering and boosting rules in the configuration rules of refined recommendation, like exclusion rules avoid showing already purchased products. Category matching, like ensure recommendations belong on the same category as a recently viewed items. Stock availability, exclude out of the stock products. Boosting rules like prioritize high margin or best selling items. Test the recipes, test your recipes in the fifth step in the test your recipes, like use test user to preview recommendations, conduct A/B testing to compare different recommendation strategies, analyze performance metrics like CTR, conversions, and revenue impact. So for the A/B testing, we have creating A/B testing for two most purchasing or most affordable products. So if first one is winner, then we are going to that path. So this is recommended of A/B testing. So deploy and recipe in campaigns and all the steps, which is after creating all the recipes, we can deploy and deploy the recipe in a campaigns campaigns. Select web personalization or email recommendations. Go to a wait or a API endpoint for deployment. Assign what type of Einstein recipe you have chosen to placement, and activate and monitor the performance dashboard. So this is all about the step by step guide of the how to create the recipe in Einstein. So yeah, this is all about the recipe section. So Take a real world example for e-commerce product recommendations. For example, online fashion retailer want to display personalized product recommendations based on a user's browsing history. So algorithm like a collaborating filter. So here we can exclude product the users has already purchased, recommend product in the same category as the last viewed product, boost trending items with high sales in the past 7 days. So this is all about the like a real time real time where we can use the recipe. So here is it is all about the recipe. So refine filtering and boosting ensures tools align with business goals, leverage data cloud segmentation integrate with Salesforce Data Cloud for advanced targeting, test and iterate like continuously, monitor KPIs like CTR, conversions, revenue, and tweak the recipe accordingly. So personalized accordingly channels deploy recommendations across web, email, and mobile. Use API integration like extend Einstein recipe to third-party platform for omni-channel experiences, etc. So this is all about the optimizing Einstein recipe. So on the summary section, Einstein recipe provide a powerful way to enhance customer engagement by leveraging AI-driven recommendations. By following the structured steps outlined above, business can create, test, and deploy personalized content effectively within Salesforce Marketing Cloud personalization. So do you like additional details on customizing Einstein recipe by API or advanced SQL benefit-based filtering? So if you like, then go to the comment section and give me the thumbs up. Thank you.